Yes, most LG TVs released since 2020, running WebOS 5.0 or later, have built-in Bluetooth for audio output, making it easy to connect AirPods or other Bluetooth headphones. This allows for private listening without disturbing others. To check your LG TV's Bluetooth compatibility, navigate to Settings on your TV. In the Sound menu, select Sound Out. If you see Bluetooth speaker list, your TV has built-in Bluetooth support. Some older or budget LG TV models lack built-in Bluetooth and require a separate adapter connected to the TV's optical or HDMI ARC port. As of 2025, over 90% of new LG TV models include built-in Bluetooth connectivity. First, put your AirPods into pairing mode by opening the case and holding the button on the back until the status light flashes white. On your LG TV, go to Settings, then Sound Out, and select Bluetooth speaker list. Select your AirPods from the list of available devices. Once connected, the TV's audio will output to your AirPods. If your AirPods don't connect, first ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both the TV and AirPods. Restarting both devices can often resolve connection issues. Power off the TV and AirPods, wait a moment, then turn them back on. Interference from microwaves or other wireless devices can cause connection problems. Move the TV or AirPods away from potential sources of interference. Ensure your TV's firmware is up to date. Go to Settings, then General, About this TV, and select Check for Updates. Bluetooth audio profiles are standardized protocols that define how devices communicate for wireless audio. The most important for LG TVs are A2DP and AVRCP. A2DP, or Advanced Audio Distribution Profile, handles the transmission of high-quality stereo audio from the TV to your headphones. It ensures clear, compressed audio streaming over Bluetooth. AVRCP, or Audio Video Remote Control Profile, allows your headphones to send basic control commands back to the TV, such as play, pause, or volume adjustments. AirPods work seamlessly with LG TVs, connecting natively through Bluetooth 5.x technology. This ensures stable, low-latency connections for most LG models released since 2020. Newer LG TVs support audio codecs like SBC for basic compatibility and AAC for improved sound quality, especially with Apple AirPods. These codecs compress audio data efficiently while maintaining clarity. Bluetooth 5.x in LG TVs provides extended connection range, lower latency for gaming, and improved battery efficiency for your AirPods. Newer LG TVs from 2024 onward include a dual audio feature that lets you send audio to both your Bluetooth headphones and the TV's internal speakers at the same time. This is perfect for shared viewing experiences where some people want to use headphones while others listen through the TV. You can find this setting within the Sound Out menu in your TV's settings. Newer LG TVs, especially 2024 and 2025 models with Bluetooth 5.3, have significantly reduced audio lag compared to older models. If you experience any lag, make sure your TV's firmware is updated to the latest version. LG's Bluetooth Optimizer feature in the settings can help minimize latency by optimizing the connection. On 2026 LG models, you can expect an average latency of around 30 milliseconds, which is quite low for wireless audio. Future trends in wireless TV audio include increasing integration with smart home protocols like Matter, allowing AirPods to connect via hubs like Google Nest or Apple HomePod for seamless audio sharing. This enables seamless audio sharing across devices in your smart home ecosystem. Bluetooth 6.0 is expected to bring improved battery efficiency and multi-device pairing capabilities. AI-driven features like adaptive latency may emerge, further enhancing the wireless audio experience by automatically adjusting for different content types.